Hello, this is room 402. I have a little help, please.
Of course, how can I help you?
Could get an extra towel?
Certainly, I will send into your room right away.
Thank you. And you have a hair dryer?
Yes, we can you arrange one for you.
Great. Oh, I almost forget. Could I have an iron, please?
Oh, no problem. We can bring you an ironing board.
Perfect. And sorry, one more thing. Could I get an extra blanket?
Absolute. Absolutely, and extra blanket will be sent up well.
You are wonderful. Thank you so much.
My place is the anything.
Maybe with some sample, please.
Don't always towel, hair dryer, iron blanket, and shampoo are coming to your room in a few minutes.
Wow, that's amazing service. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.